I grew up in corn country. Central Pennsylvania is known for their fields of corn, so I guess it's no wonder that I love corn on the cob. I'm going to show you 3 ways to prepare corn on the cob using a pressure cooker, steaming it, and boiling it. However you make your corn on the cob, you're going to love it. And by the way, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Chef Christine Waltermeyer, the author of Veg-Delicious, Recipes that taste too good to be good for you. I'm also the founder of the Natural Kitchen Cooking School, so I know what I'm doing here. You're in good hands. So when you're making fresh corn on the cob, of course you'll want to shuck your corn. If you've never done this before, it's easy. You're just basically pulling off all these green outer leaves. And some people even use a corn brush just to get all these fine little hairs off. You can do that if you like, or you can just sort of pick them off by hand. You can always snap off that little top part there, or cut it with a knife. Same thing with the bottom stem. I'm just gonna break that off. And there you go, you have a beautiful organic corn cob ready to go. You can keep it like this or cut it in half if you like. A little FYI is that the Native Americans used to dry the corn silk and actually make a tea out of it, corn silk tea. So now I'm going to show you the 3 different ways you can make corn. Number 1 is boiling. You bring to boil a large pot of water, and you can add salt if you like or not. Then you simply drop your corn cobs into the boiling water. So that's method number 1. Method number 2 is steaming, and you'll see here I've got a steamer basket set up over about 1/2 inch of boiling water. I'm going to take my corn cobs and place them into the steamer basket and let them steam. Boiling corn takes about 6 to 8 minutes. Steaming corn takes 4 to 6 minutes. The other way that you can make corn is using a pressure cooker and Instapot. That's going to be your fastest method, taking only 2 minutes once it comes up to full pressure. This is a pressure cooker, but you can use the Instapot. I'm just going to put my lid on, twist it, and bring it up to pressure. So again, just to recap, boiling is 6 to 8 minutes, steaming 4 to 6 minutes, and pressure cooking 2 minutes, once it comes up to full pressure. So when your corn is finished cooking, you can just take it out with a pair of tongs, put it on a plate to cool. While the corn is still hot, you can slather it with your favorite vegan butter or whatever butter you like, or even a little coconut oil. And if you'd like to add a little touch of sea salt, that adds a nice touch. Now, feel free to skip this step if you're cutting down on the fat or you don't want to add that. Or you can add olive oil too. But just feel free to eat it plain as is. A little shake of some sea salt. And you're good to go. Enjoy your corn. Hopefully this gave you some new ideas how you can make your corn on the cob extra delicious. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, you'll find out about videos I release generally every Wednesday. It was fun cooking with you. Thanks for joining me.